excited to be here today. I'm hoping to learn a lot from this session, hoping when I leave here, there will be more to execute and impact others as well.
This is my first SDF capacity building workshop, so I'm expecting to learn a lot from today.
It's our first time, or rather my first time working with this CETA, so it's to just get more knowledge on it and what the expectation is from Visa.
I'm just hoping to learn something today and meet more people and do a bit of more networking.
Welcome to the MICT SETA Gauteng Skills Development Capacity Building Workshop.
Our capacity building workshop will be structured into 3. The first part will be me presenting and just giving a little bit of background and context as to why we submit WSP-ATRs and what are some of the legislative things and compliance requirements that we need to take into consideration. The next component will be our ICT doing a system demonstration, so taking us through SDF registration process as well as WSP-ATR submission process. And then lastly, we're also really excited to show you guys the new reference manual that we've developed to assist with compiling your WSP-ATR.
So I'm excited, I'm thrilled, and I'm looking forward to submit my WSP for the first time. I hope that I attend more of these sessions because they're very interesting and very informative. Thank you so much for hosting us this very fruitful and productive seminar.
So I want to thank MICT for giving us this valuable information. Thank you so much. We've learned quite a lot.